Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stefan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play the Quiet Wood, which is B3 in the ABRSM Grade 1 Piano 2023-2024 syllabus. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and make sure to check the notifications bell to never miss a new video. Also, I now offer online piano lessons. If you're looking for one, there's going to be information in the description below. So the music is still in copyright, so I can't show you the entire sheet music, but I'm going to talk you through referring to bar numbers. At first sight, this piece might seem very simple. If you play the right hand separately and the left hand separately, it seems much easier than grade 1. However, when you put the two together, it almost looks like the two hands live their own little lives, like counterpoint in a way, and it's actually quite difficult because the slurs happen at different points and the melody also moves at a different pace in the two hands. The key signature is F sharp, so we are in the key of G major. Every F is going to be sharp, and the time signature is 2-2, which means 2 minims or 2 half notes in every bar. Now that's identical to 4-4, but it just basically means that it's quicker. So instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, we're gonna go 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it feels more like it's in 2 because it's quicker. To make it very pretty, we have to make sure that we phrase the melody. And phrasing the melody means that every time you have notes inside a slur, you keep them very connected, singing through them, making it very smooth and legato. And at the end of those slurs, you have to lift up your hand and make sure that it's very obvious that a new sentence or phrase is starting. So let's have a look at the right hand first. Starting 3 on the G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, lift. So that's the kind of feel you need for the right hand. And don't keep your hand very static, so make sure that the movement of the hand follows the melody and you're leading the melody with your hand. So when it's rising, very big gestures. It's a very slow piece, so you can make those tones very deep and rich by using a lot of hand movement in it. If we play something very fast, we use very little hand motion, but with slow passages like this one, it's very beneficial to make those fingers and the hand move very nicely with the melody. So let's go on from bar 8. The right hand comes in on the B number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, lift 4, jumping up 4 onto the D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift. Getting quieter. And finish. Now, as you can see, the melody of the left and right hand sometimes complete each other. So the left hand is not always fulfilling the purpose of accompaniment. Sometimes it plays accompanying chords, but many times the melodies kind of join in together. So let's see the left hand starting on beat 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Lift. Now, as you can see, I'm counting in 4 because it's just easier to follow those crotchets, but when you played upbeat and you learned it, you can switch to counting in 2, and then the stress marks are going to be less on every note, but more on the first and third beats, or first and second beats if you think in minims. Now, when you put it hands together, you can see that the right hand starts, lift. And here you see something very interesting. There is a rest, but the rest is inside the slur in the left hand. And that basically just means it's nothing to do with physical things. It's just in your mind to think about that last note belongs to the melody. So when you think of the right hand D, the left hand B is the last note of the melody. So that's why they put that slur over the rest. So you can think about that note not as a single note, but as part of the melody. And then you go on. And here you could see the left hand was starting the melody and the right hand carried on. So you have to make sure that when the left hand gives the melody over to the right hand, it's seamless and there's no glitch, no little gap there. Then the right hand goes up. And here again, you can see that little D, and the sheet music actually shows you that that's part of the melody, and then finishing on this G major chord. So very simple piece, but making it pretty is actually quite difficult. You need a lot of control over the notes to make sure it's very legato, very smooth, and all the lifts are realized. And also you need to create this very calm, serene atmosphere with your playing, so it shouldn't feel agitated, it shouldn't feel rushed at all. If you have any more questions about this piece, leave them in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, subscribe for more.